Hello, everybody. This is Mr. Van Horn here, and I'm going to give us a little tutorial on how to get our student into Google Classroom. So, as you can see, I'm at the Google main page, just under Google Chrome. In order to get to this point in your child's Chromebook, they are going to need to log in under the email and password that we provided to them in their Welcome Back tote. So in their Welcome Back tote, you will see that there are 8 folders binded together, and under the important notes part, you will see a direction sheet for how a student can log into their Google Apps account. What they need to do, they need to go ahead and type in the password, including the @delmarschools.org, type in the correct password, and that will log them into their Chromebook. Once they're in their Chromebook, all they have to do is open up Google Chrome and it will pop up a new tab just like this. Now, once they're in the main page, this is what they need to do to get into the Google Classroom. You'll notice up at the top corner, you'll see a 3x3 array. They're going to click on this, and you'll see all kinds of different Google apps that we'll be using throughout the year. The one that's really important right now that we want the students to get logged into and to join is the Classroom, because the Google Classroom is where all the student work's going to be, where the Zoom links are going to be for these first 2 weeks. So go ahead, you're going to click on Google Classroom. And mine's going to look a little different because this is my teacher account, so I have a couple other classes. But we have a test classroom here from Ms. Kling. You can see that for your student, they're going to have Ms. Kling, they're going to have Mr. Van Horn, or they're going to have Mrs. Chavez. And you'll notice at the bottom, since I'm already a part of these 2 classes, I have no buttons down here, but I have not joined this one yet. What they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and click the join button. Once they click the join button, they are officially part of that classroom. Now, they might have a couple other classrooms that they need to join. I know PE and art and science, they're going to create their own Google Classrooms as well to upload their materials and their homework and all the other stuff that they're going to be sharing with your students. So you might just have one to join, which would be your classroom teacher, or you might have 2 or 3 that you need to join. That would be for the STEAM teachers. If you don't see anything from the STEAM teachers right now, that's okay. Really, the most important one is your classroom. Once you click join, that's where you'll be able to see all the information. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and click on mine so you can see what it looks like once you're into it. There'll be different assignments, there'll be material. You can go ahead and play around with it that way. But once your student's into this will set them up for success on Monday morning. I hope that helps. Thank you.